Hello everyone, I'm Shinjini from IntelliSkills. I'm very excited to announce our new Java course that we are going to launch. We have got a lot of requests from our viewers. So, for them, we are launching this. Already, there are 200 plus programs uploaded in our channel in the form of shorts. Now, it's time to upload a full stack course and make you a professional developer in Java and your concepts clear. IntelliSkills provides theoretical knowledge along with practical coding practice. Both are extremely important for becoming a professional developer in Java. This Java course is divided into three major parts. The first part is the full and complete step-by-step tutorial of Java. In this part, we are going to cover each and every topic present in Java very minutely and very precisely. The first part will take us 5 to 6 hours to complete. In the second part, we have 150 practice programs based on the topics we will be studying. They are selected specially for your better understanding and for your better clarity. The third part consists of top 50 interview questions for freshers up to 2 years of experience. So basically, this compilation of the Java course is going to help you a lot and it is going to be efficient. At the end of this course, you will be prepared for any interview, learn fast coding, solve programs efficiently, and you will be confident to work in any Java project. Now you know that Java is a very vast programming language, as I have told. So each topic, that is each video that I will be creating, will be very minutely detailed. It will contain a lot of information. Hence, for your better understanding, it should be very clear. So to make the thing clear to you, I have divided each topic in Java into 4 parts. That is theory and concept. Here you will get an idea that how the topic is going to be or what is going to be inside the topic or video. Basically, you will get an understanding. You can get 50% of your clarity here itself. The second one or the second part is the Java programs. We are going to implement the theory or the concept we had learned into these programs. This will enhance your clarity. This will enhance the information that you had consumed. This will give you more practical knowledge and you will involve your hands into the computer. This will give you 90% of the clarity. The third part that we are going to look after is multiple choice questions, MCQ. We have selected the top most very interesting MCQ questions which will enhance your clarity more than 90%. This will be followed by the fourth part, that is subjective questions. With the help of these MCQs and subjective questions, you can analyze yourself before moving to the next topic. You can check that if you are strong or weak in the topic. This will give you 100% clarity. This course is very minutely researched and it is containing years of experience. I can guarantee you that you will be confident to solve programs in Java after this course. I will meet you in the tutorials. Till then, enjoy your day. Have a safe day ahead. Thank you.